Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading. If you're a beginner looking to start making money in Forex, you've clicked on the right video. In the next few minutes, we'll guide you through the basics to help you kickstart your Forex journey. First things first, what is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global market for exchanging national currencies against one another. It's the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. To start trading, you'll need to open a Forex trading account. Choose a reputable broker that offers a demo account. A demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual money before risking your own funds. Look for brokers that are regulated and have good customer support. Before diving into real trading, it's crucial to learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with key terms like pips, leverage, and spread. Many online platforms offer free courses and educational materials. Dedicate time to understand how the market works and what factors influence currency prices. Next, develop a trading strategy. This is your plan for when and how to trade. Strategies can be based on technical analysis, which involves studying charts and patterns, or fundamental analysis, which focuses on economic indicators and news events. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy, so find what works for you. Practice makes perfect. Use your demo account to test your strategy without the pressure of losing real money. Track your performance and refine your approach as needed. This practice will build your confidence and help you understand your risk tolerance. When you're ready to start trading with real money, start small. It's important to only risk what you can afford to lose. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment. Risk management is key to long-term success in Forex. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and always trade with a clear plan. Remember, it's better to make small, consistent gains than to risk everything on one trade. Stay informed about global economic events and news that can impact the Forex market. Subscribe to Forex news websites and join online trading communities to keep up with the latest trends and insights. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money on Forex. Remember, patience and practice are your best friends in trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.